In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted pages in Notion, step by step. If you've ever accidentally deleted an important page, database, or workspace content in Notion and thought it was gone forever, don't worry, because Notion makes it surprisingly easy to restore deleted pages as long as you know where to look. This works for personal accounts, team workspaces, and even older pages from previous years. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date Notion tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where the page was deleted. This is very important because each workspace has its own trash and deleted pages won't appear in the wrong one. Once you're inside Notion, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on New Page. You don't need to actually create a new page here. This step just ensures the sidebar is fully visible so you can access all the options. Next, look at the bottom of the left sidebar and click on Trash. This is where Notion stores all deleted pages instead of permanently removing them right away. When you open the trash, you'll see a list of pages that were deleted from your workspace. If the page was deleted recently, it should appear near the top of the list. If you deleted the page a long time ago, don't worry, because Notion lets you browse by time. Inside the trash, click on Previous Years. This allows you to view pages that were deleted months or even years ago, depending on your plan and workspace settings. Scroll through the list until you find the page you want to recover. Once you locate the deleted page, click on it to open the preview. You'll now see an option that says Restore Page. Go ahead and click on Restore Page. Notion will then confirm the action, and all you need to do is click Restore. As soon as you do that, the page will be instantly recovered and placed back into its original location in your workspace, including all of its content, subpages, and formatting. After restoring, I recommend navigating back to where the page originally lived just to double-check that everything looks correct. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted page in Notion without losing any data. This method works for individual pages, entire databases, and even nested pages, as long as they're still available in the trash. If this tutorial helped you recover an important page, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, productivity tutorials, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.